How to automate email replies in n8n. So first, head over to your workflow on n8n IO. Once you're in there, click onto this plus icon that is connected to your trigger. So my trigger is on form submission. Now for this, you can just search for particular nodes or you can search for specific apps. I'll just write here Gmail. Here's Gmail right here. Now, in there, what we can do is you can choose right here, send the message or reply to a message. Since you want to automate replies, let's choose in here reply to a message. But this will only work if someone has already messaged you in the past. Just right here the credential that you want to connect with. I have in here my Gmail account, but if you don't have it yet, proceed to click on this create new credential. Just right here the resource, the operation, message ID, email type, as well as the message that you want added yet. So you can input right your specific message, like thank you for answering the form. Now you can proceed to execute that step if you want and head back to your canvas to see it's already been connected. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.